In order to find and get your API key for Gemini, you need to go to your AI Studio. So go to a new browser tab and open up aistudio.google.com. You'll then be prompted to log into your Google account. And then once you're here on the back end of your AI Studio, in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Get API Key. Click on that link there. And then what you're going to do is either import projects first, so you can import projects or have your developers import projects, whatever it may be. But in order to create the API key for you or your folks to use, you need to go in the upper right-hand corner, go to Create API Key. Go ahead and give your key a name if you'd like, and then you can choose an imported project if you have imported one, or you can import directly from this interface here. And then once you have a name and an associated project, you go to Create Key. And then after that, you will see all of your API key details. You'll see the name of it, you'll see the actual API key, the project name and number, and the ability to copy this to send out or delete the key altogether. If you want to copy just the key itself, you just go to where you see API key and then go to the copy button here where you just click on it and it will copy that to your clipboard to paste somewhere you can easily access it. Once you're done, hit X like so. And now when we go to our API keys under our dashboard, you can see all of them will be grouped by project, and you can use and see all of the different API keys that you have created. If you want to create another one, you go up to Create API Key and you run the process all over again. And the last thing I want to show you are these four buttons over here. You can copy the API key from this interface here. You can view the spend. So you actually, to utilize this, you have to have some spend. So you'd have to go here, go to Setup Billing, and then it'll load the billing setup in order for you to add your card or a way to fund the usage of your API key. And then lastly, you can say View Usage. Clicking on View Usage tells you how many requests it's had, how many errors, how many requests per model. This is very in-depth, and if you are in this space, you'll know everything that you see here. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.